Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you to a Bitcoin earning site. First of all, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. First we register on the site. We enter the necessary information. After the registration process is completed, we log into the site. Homepage. Here is my earnings information. Here is your reference link. Thanks to Bublink, you can call your friends and increase your earnings. This is the place to receive payment. The minimum payment is 1 Satoshi. The payment is made to the wallet. You need to put your wallet address here. Here you see the movements of people coming from your referral links. Here you earn points from the tasks you do. You go to the ranking and you get rewards from the ranking. Here you are given a task. If you do this task, you will earn a reward here. Now I show you how to earn Bitcoin by watching ads. You click on it, you wait on the page that opens, after a certain time it asks you a question, you answer it and the Bitcoin you earn is deposited in your account. Money was deposited. We earn Bitcoin by visiting such a simple site. You can earn Bitcoin by visiting many websites here, and if you watch the video until the end, you can easily see that I have withdrawn money. The addresses of the site will be in the description and comments section. This place gives you Bitcoin by passing shortened links, only in advertisements, and because I don't want to deal with it, I am passing here. Friends, you can earn Bitcoin by passing links. Detailed information is written on it, friends. Now it's time to withdraw money from here. It bothered me a bit. Sometimes such things can happen on the site. Watch carefully. I will leave the link of these two sites below. Yes, I think I need to do some more quests. I tried to shoot it fast so you can see it without me. Now I entered the wallet and I show how I get Bitcoin horse picture. Yes, I had a little trouble there because there was some trouble with my internet. I still took the money. Watch the video. It's going to our Bitcoin account. Yes, there was a bit of a problem with the site. Some of me had to leave Bitcoin, but we still got our payment. Look, no one shows, but I got my payment. Now take a good look at your wallet. Yes friends, sorry for prolonging the video, I am a donkey, sorry, but we still got our payment. I swear I am shooting video from phone right now. I apologize to you again and again. Yes friends, the proofs are available from the video. Please, I love you. If you subscribe I would be happy. Open notifications. I don't know English, so I use the translation.